Hey comrade, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a critical topic: how to protect your online privacy in today's digital age. If you are concerned about your privacy while browsing the internet, this video is for you. The internet has become an integral part of our life. Your browsing history, personal data, and even your location can be monitored and exploited. The reality is, your privacy is constantly under threat. But don't worry, there is a solution to keep your online activities private and secure. Introducing Tor Browser, a powerful tool that helps you browse the internet anonymously and securely. In this video, I'll show you how to install and use Tor Browser on Kali Linux to protect your online privacy. So let us begin without any further delay. So first of all, open your browser, which is Firefox. Once it is open, search for Tor Project. Click on the first link, which is www.torproject.org. Scroll up and click on download Tor Browser. Thereafter, you'll be redirected to new page. You have to select your whatever you're using, whether Windows, Mac, or Linux. In our case, we are using Linux, so we'll click on download for Linux. And once you create that, your download will start to begin. So wait for the moment. So our download is started to begin. I'll cut it. Since I've already downloaded it, I'll cancel it. You have to let it get downloaded. So I'll just cut it because I've already downloaded. And let me close the browser. You have to download complete file. Thereafter, you can close the browser. Now you have to open your terminal. Let me increase its size so that you should be able to see it. Now, whatever we download from our browser, it is mainly in our download folder. So let us navigate to that. Download directory, sorry. If you check, this is the file, the third file, which is Tor Browser Linux. And it is .extract at last. It is a tar RC file. So we'll extract it first. So give tar.xf and name of the file, which is Tor, and press tab. It will fill automatically. Okay. After press enter. Once file is extracted, press ls. Now you can see there is a new directory, which is Tor Browser. Navigate to it. Press ls. Under this, you can see we have one directory and there is a .desktop file. So we have to open this file, which is we can open it by /, and name of the press. Okay, now you press enter. Wait for some moment. So this is the first page we are going to get. So we have two options, whether we can configure our connection or we can directly click on connect. For most user, you can click on connect, but if you belong to a particular country where there is a restriction on internet, you can configure your connection. For right now, I'm going to click on connect and I will do it automatically. So I'll press connect. Now this is our home page. You can see here still like icon above. Just click on that. We can set up our security level from there. So just click on this, click on setting, and here is our security level. I suggest you to keep it to safer. By default, I guess it will leave on standard. Just keep it to safest, so that there are many stuffs going on this Tor browser, because it allows you to access even dark web, and you know how dangerous dark web can be. So click on the safest, and that's it. You can browse anything on this. You can just open whatever you want. Now, to maximize your security and privacy on Tor browser, I would like to recommend you a few tips. So I have wrote over here. So avoid logging into personal accounts. Logging into accounts like your social media or email can compromise your anonymity. Use HTTPS whenever possible. This ensures that your data is encrypted between your browser and the website, and download only from known websites. Ensure that files you download come from trusted and verified sources. Do not download or open documents while online. This can contain elements that may reveal your IP address. These are some of the key tips which I think you should keep in your mind. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want another video on Tor browser, that is exploring dark web and all that other kind of stuff, you can comment down in comment box. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and consider subscribing to our channel. See you next video, guys. Stay safe and stay secure. Thank you.